Welcome, coffee lovers. Today, we're diving into the top 5 coffee maker brands that are known for their quality, innovation, and popularity among coffee enthusiasts. Choosing the right coffee maker can be a deeply personal journey. It's about finding a machine that aligns with your coffee rituals, your desire for convenience or control, and ultimately, your pursuit of the perfect cup. We'll be exploring brands that cater to a spectrum of coffee lovers, from those who appreciate a quick and easy caffeine fix to those who revel in the art of espresso extraction. So, grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's discover the world of top-tier coffee makers. Keurig has undeniably revolutionized home coffee brewing. Their K-Cup pod system provides unparalleled convenience for those mornings when time is of the essence. But it's not just about speed. Keurig offers a vast library of K-Cup flavors, catering to every palate and caffeine craving. From rich roasts to flavored blends, there's a K-Cup for everyone. Brew, an Australian brand, has carved a niche for itself in the world of high-end coffee makers. Their machines are for those who see coffee brewing not just as a necessity, but as an art form. Take the Brew Barista Express, for example. This machine combines a grinder and an espresso machine, allowing you to control every step of the coffee making process. This level of control, combined with Breville's commitment to quality, makes them a favorite amongst coffee aficionados. Ninja has become synonymous with multifunctionality, and their coffee makers are no exception. These machines are incredibly versatile, often offering multiple brewing styles in a single unit. Want to switch between a robust cup of coffee and a refreshing iced latte? Ninja has you covered. Their machines often come equipped with built-in frothers, allowing you to explore a world of coffee creations beyond the traditional cup. DeLonghi embodies Italian craftsmanship and design. Their espresso machines are renowned for their elegance, durability, and ability to produce cafe-quality espresso at home. From the compact Dedica to the sophisticated La Specialista, DeLonghi machines are equipped with advanced features like milk frothing systems and customizable espresso settings. They allow you to craft barista-worthy lattes and cappuccinos from the comfort of your own kitchen. Cuisinart is a household name known for its reliable and user-friendly kitchen appliances. Their coffee makers are no exception, offering solid performance and durability without breaking the bank. Cuisinart focuses on practicality, with features like programmable brewing, large carafes, and even built-in grinders in some models. They are an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and straightforward coffee experience. These top coffee maker brands cater to different needs, from quick single-serve options to high-end espresso machines and reliable drip coffee makers. When choosing a coffee maker, consider factors like brewing style, budget, and features to find the best fit for your coffee preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.